Up your grilling game this summer with the Cuisinart Griddler and Griddler Elite. Each of these efficient machines comes equipped with dual cooking surfaces and a hinged floating cover, meaning you can not only grill, but also press a panini, top brown a Reuben sandwich, or cook sausage on the griddle. The Griddler features dual temperature controls and cooking plates that drain grease for healthier cooking. The Griddler Elite adds a stylish LCD display, more cooking surface, and the special Sear Blast feature that locks flavor into your steak at 500 degrees.
Splatters, exploding sauce, mystery goo you can't wipe off. Yuck! Stop cooking without a cover. Get Hover Cover, the revolutionary splatter guard that uses microwave-safe plastic magnets, so it's always ready to use. That's right, specially designed polymer magnets hold the Hover Cover up here until you need it down there. Just pull down to cover. When you're done, lift and let it hover. Hover Cover will stick and stay right in the microwave. Just think of the time and mess you'll save. Ugh, that container might be microwave safe, but you can't find the lid anyplace. But Hover Cover is always where you need it, like a storage door in your fridge. Hover Cover upgrades your microwave with a lid. Plus, Hover Cover is large enough to fit most dinner plates, dishes, bowls, and even platters. And Hover Cover still fits in virtually any microwave.